Okay, today we're talking about the basics of drywall installation. Now what you're looking at right here is your standard 4x8 foot sheet of drywall. Now I'm using 3/8 inch thick drywall because I need it to match up against the house that I'm repairing. Now my 4-foot square edge right here is called my butt edge. Also, my 8-foot edge right here is called my tapered edge. This is called your tapered edge because it reduces its thickness about 1/8 of an inch. Okay, next I'm gonna pre-fill all my joints, temple builders.